Hello everybody, in this episode we are going to be changing out the seats in my E36. The seats is now stuck, they're regular leather seats, so now we're going to change them out with sports leather seats. And they do not look too good, but they are a lot comfier than the original ones. So this is it. You see it has extra padding right there and right here, and it can move this is adjustable like so, and you can pump up something right here, and most importantly this one works so you can take the seat forth and back, because this seat, which is original, you cannot. This is all loose and I have to pull this to get the seat back and forth. So that's why we're gonna change it. And by the way, another upgrade I have done to the car without telling you or made a video about it, I'm sorry, but I was seriously too excited, so I just couldn't film. I needed to just do it and install it, and that is, I'm looking at it right now, it's my new steering wheel, and seriously I love it. I had this one in my first BMW, my E34 525, the red one, but look at this. An MTEC 2 steering wheel. In my opinion, the best looking steering wheel you can get. It's so simple and nice, and it's round. I mean, I'm kidding, but seriously, I love the steering wheel. It's the best. I'm really happy with it. I got it really cheap. I just installed it. It's super easy to install. You just take this out, no airbag. You just take the bolt out from the old blue steering wheel, take this on, mount it, and that's about it. So yeah, super easy. Now let's get to the seat. I have never done this before, so I'm gonna begin with the passenger seat just in case I do something wrong. I know a lot of you will comment that the seats I'm installing is like in not such good shape as my original ones, but you know what, it's a lot comfier to sit in, and yeah, they are seriously just better. So they got some scratches right here, and yeah. And if anybody are going to comment on the color of these, I do really like the color actually. I really like it's black on the door trim right here, and then it's yellow here. So yeah, I like it. Maybe you don't, but I do. Okay, the first thing we need to do, this is missing the headrest. So we're going to take it from this. It's just to pull it up, it's really easy. I need power. Okay, so to remove the seat, I think it's really easy. I think it's 4 bolts, and that is 1 in each corner. So I'm going to begin with removing those, and then I think it will be loose, and I just need to disconnect the heat in the seat. So I think this has heat as well, the other ones. So okay, that's both of the bolts out on the back. So we do like this, and we do like this, then we can see the bolts. Okay, this is not a bolt. What the hell? We have a problem. What the? Okay, I'm gonna take a flat screw head on there and try to pump it up. It's just a cover right here. Okay, so all the 4 bolts are now loose. It's time to try getting this out. I think I will just make it as small as possible, doing like this and like this, and just see what is like connected. Now all the connections are disconnected, so it's just one connection, and now it's ready to take it out. The main difference you can now see, it's better here and a lot better padding there. They look kind of ugly right here because they had some kind of like head support or neck support right there. I don't know what it is called, but I never heard about it. It's some M Sport something, or I don't know. So it is a bit not so good right here, but it's very good right here. So this is how the Cabriolet looks under the seat. It's dry and nice. I do not have a vacuum cleaner right here, so that's not so good. What is this? Super dry. what is this? Okay, whatever. So now it's just time to just mount again, and yeah, let's just get the new seat right in. Now it's time to just tighten those bolts again. Yeah, it works. Perfect. Now it's time for the other side. There we go. This passenger seat, no, this driver's seat was a little bit difficult. I don't know why, it just didn't fit in the holes right away, but now it does, so yeah. Like I said, it's not looking too good right here, but I don't care. Sports seats look a lot better. It seems to be the same color if you see there and there. Maybe these are a little bit more gray, I don't know. But anyways, now I have sports seats that I can like. So now I just have to clean up and test them, see how they feel. The seats, they feel nice. I feel like I'm sitting more controlled or like tight. So these ones, they really help on both sides here. It makes me like, now I'm kind of I'm not so big, I'm very thin, but still. They hold me better in place than the original ones or the standard ones. So these sports ones are a lot better. I was hoping that these was a lot lighter. I actually did weigh them and they were 28 kilos, both of them. So these are not lighter, so no weight reduction, brah. But, oh wow, nice, look at this. Sweet. I am so in love with my MTEC 2 steering wheel as well. It looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, and with my 325 speedo, yeah, the car is really shaping up. And I have this M lever now with M stitching right here. Yeah, the car is really getting better and better by each day now. The coilover makes it very stiff, so it's better to drive. I think that's at least my opinion, and it's better to drift, better to burnouts with, and everything. So I'm really looking forward to driving this car on the events with drifting and drag racing. That will be a lot of fun. So anyways, these seats are now installed, the sports seats. I just put on the heat, so I don't know if that works. Is it warm? I don't know. You know what? I will come back to you in 5 minutes and I will let you know if the seat heater works or not. Okay, to be honest, I don't quite know if the seat heater works. If it did work, I would probably know and I would say it works, but when I'm not sure, because I do not know if the seat is hot now because of me sitting here or if it's the seat heater working. I do see that this is just, it's lighting, so that could mean that it works, but when I don't feel the heat, I'm just gonna conclude with it, it's not working. So, well, kind of a bummer, but you know what, I never use seat heater in this car. Maybe it works on my back though, it kind of feels like it's working on my back now, I don't know, it's a little bit hot there. Well, I don't know. You know what? It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna use this car in the winter time anyways, so yeah, it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna put this car away. I'm gonna drive it out September, or I'm going to drive it out October. I don't know, but I'm not gonna use this while it's snow and salt on the road, because in Norway we salt the roads, and let me tell you, it's creating so much rust with salt on the road, so it's not good. So I'm gonna put it out. I'm gonna use another car, maybe my E36, or buy another car. I don't know, maybe a project. I don't know. So yeah, oh. So yeah, now you know my plans with the winter time and everything, and I now got these lovely new seats installed in my E36 325. So anyways, I hope you like this episode, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.